Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with a new topic, parts of plant. And under this topic, we are going to talk about the different parts of plants, and further we will deeply discuss about the roots and the stem of the plant. So, a plant, big or small, has certain body parts, and each body part performs a specific function. And here in this diagram, you can see that there is root, stem, leaf, fruit, and flower. These are the main parts of the plants. And in this video, we are going to discuss the two parts. That one is stem and roots, and we are going to discuss the function of these two parts. So let's start with the roots. The part of a plant that normally grows below the ground is called the roots. So the part of the plant that is inside the ground, which grows below the ground, is known as the roots. And there are two types of roots. First one is taproot, and second one is fibrous roots. So in taproot there is one main root, and which extends at the end in the soil. Like there will be a one main root, and then small roots will come out of that main root. So this kind of root is known as taproot. And the other type is that fibrous roots, and these are like very thin and bushy roots growing from the end of the stem. Okay, so where it ends, the stem ends, and the roots started growing from there only, and they are thin and a bushy kind of. So this comes under fibrous roots. The example of fibrous roots are grass, wheat, rice, onion. Now we will discuss the function of roots. That what is the function of the roots? So its first function is it supports the plant and fix it firmly into the ground. As roots grow under the ground, they hold the plant firmly into the ground. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil, and green leaves need this water to make food for the plant. As we all know, we water the plant, and the water gets absorbed in the soil, and from there the roots absorb the water and the mineral and transfer it to different parts of plant. And some plants store extra food in their roots. Example of such plants are radish, turnip, beetroot, carrot. And that is the reason why we eat the roots of these plants, because the food, and which is very nutritious, are stored in the roots. Now let's come to the stem. So the stem is the main part of the shoot, part of a plant which normally remains above the ground. So uh, the part of the plant which is above the ground is together known as shoot, and stem is the main part of it. And other parts of plant like leaves, birds, fruits and flowers grows on the stem. And we can divide a plant into tree, shrub, herb, climber and creeper depending on the type of stem it has. So depending on the type of stem, we divide the plant into tree, whether it is herb, whether it is a climber, whether it is a shrub, whether it is a creeper. So let's discuss what is trees. So trees have thick strong stem called trunk. Example, mango and guava. So though trees are those plants which have thick and strong trunk. You have seen, like, the we have seen the mango trees. It has a thick and strong uh, stem. So, and that stem is called trunk. So such kind of plants which have a thick and strong stem, they comes under the category tree. Second one is shrubs. They have a woody stem. Okay, they are not of very height, or they will not have a very strong or thick stem, but they will have the woody stem, like example lemon and rose. Herbs, they have soft green stem, example tomato and wheat. As you can see in this picture, uh, it has a quite green stem and that will be very tender. Other one is climbers. The climbers are the weak stem and they need support to climb up. Okay, so you must have seen some plants which need support, and we provide them support so that they can climb, like money plant, or there is a pea plant. They need support to climb. And the last one is creepers. Creepers are those plants which just grows along the ground, and they have such a weak stem that they can't uh, grow, or they can't just stand on it, so they just grow along the ground. And example of creepers are watermelon and pumpkin, you can see in this picture. Now let's discuss the function of stem. Keeps the plant upright and straight. So the plant which have a strong stem, they are mostly upright, like they stand. So stems help those kind of plants to keep them upright and straight. And other parts of plants like leaves, birds, flowers and fruit grows on the stem. It carries water and food to different parts of plants. So from the roots, the minerals and water goes into the stem, and through the stem it is circulated throughout the other parts of the plant. And stems of some plants also store extra food prepared by plant, example sugarcane, potatoes and ginger. So like the roots, there are some plants which store their food in the stem, and we consume those parts like potato, sugarcane and ginger. These are the stems, and we consume these parts as they are very nutritious. That's all for today. Thank you.